If you are wondering whether you can buy Photoshop permanently, the answer for the latest versions of Photoshop is no, because Adobe now provides Photoshop through a subscription instead of a one-time lifetime purchase. First, go to the Adobe website and look for the available Photoshop plans. You can choose a monthly plan or an annual plan, depending on which option works best for you. After choosing a plan, you will need to create or sign into your Adobe account and complete the subscription. Once your subscription is active, you can download and install Photoshop through the Adobe Creative Cloud app. As long as your subscription remains active, you can continue using the latest version of Photoshop and receive updates and new features. However, if you cancel your subscription, you will eventually lose access to the full version of Photoshop. In the past, some older Photoshop versions were available as permanent one-time purchases, but Adobe no longer sells the latest versions with a lifetime license. So, if you want to use the newest Photoshop, you will need to choose one of the available subscription plans. And that's it. I hope this guide helped you understand how buying Photoshop works. And thanks for watching.